Hello and welcome to another ADHD Customs. Today's video we're just going to make a start on, see these road signs. I work for a sign company. We get old ones that we chuck away, not worth anything, they're made out of Dibond. I'm going to use them to start cladding the metal frame in my workshop that got destroyed. As you can see, it's still in bits. So we're going to try and get that up on the roof and put some coach bolts through it and stuff and see how we get on. So bear with me. Okay, this is what we've got so far. We've got these two big panels on so far. We've got these type of bolts. These coach bolt things that are going to pull down when I do them up through the frame. I've got up here, This middle bit, what I've done at the top here is I've just tripped over the jack. What I've done at the top here is that one's going to go over that one slightly and that one's going to tuck in under that one. That should give a waterproof, because rainwater can't go up, so that's the plan anyway. And I will be putting sealant between all of them when I'm done. Right now I'm just trying to get them in place and bolt them on. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the bolting of this one. I might have to put a bolt in that way and that way. So on this one it's bolted there and there, and in the corners and here. So I've got a lot more signs to go yet. I shall start getting the other ones up now. Okay, it's taken longer than I thought, but slowly getting there. See the gap here between them? I'm actually going to, I'll show you. The gap here between the two signs, I'm actually going to put sealant in there, and I'm actually going to put loads of screws along to make these one panel, and then I'm going to sealant up there in the gap as well, and I'm also going to put some more bolts through along here just to pull it down. But for now, we're getting there. Just going to go for a wee. And then maybe carry on.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is as far as I've got so far. The way I look at it is there's three panels in this roof. You've got one panel there, and this first panel here. I've gone slightly over the first panel. These are all bolted on and it's looking pretty good. That's tucked under there, that's bolted in. It's looking all pretty good, to be fair. What I'm doing now is I've just done here. These panels here, I'm now screwing between them. You see there? So it's pretty bloody strong. It's pretty solid, to be fair. So there we go. The roof is taking shape using motorway signs. So as far as I can get today, because I've run out of bolts, and I need to start figuring out these signs are different sizes, so these are gonna have to go a different way. But yeah, so I've got some more signs, but yeah, I'm gonna need some better signs, more this shape, more this size signs are better because they fit straight on. Well, that is that for today. So far we got this. It's up. It's properly solid, right? It's properly solid. So it's going to work. It's going to going to work well actually. Just got to seal some bits up there, but I've actually overlapped this sign over the top of that one. So I think I showed you earlier actually. But yeah, so that's that for today. Got screws all the way down there, screwing the panels together. And yeah, this should work. Be quite a cool ceiling as well. So that's a third of it done. So I'm just got to get some more signs. So yeah, that was just a quick video today showing the progress I'm getting on with my workshop. Get in there. So yeah, anyway, that's that. Not much of a video today. See you in the next one.